Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today. So a couple of warning signs here. So the first one is that the oscillators are extremely overbought on the 8-hour. Last week we had a breakout of structure here, solid break, and then now we're forming another bit of structure at the moment. Could be a flag it's forming. That's the first thing to pay attention to, and then the second thing to pay attention to is the weekly structure. So that's quite far from us at the moment, but the downside I think would be there. So just picking up that tail and then those tails. So this to me is validation of a weekly double bottom, as I said last week. So what I'd be looking for is a retest of this area for a continuation up. Don't really want to be jumping in when the oscillators are grouped to the upside like they are right now, and especially when we're so far from the moving averages. Moving averages have all crossed over, all pointing up quite strongly. So I think the trend is up. You should be looking to move with the trend. Challenge that you do have is you're looking for structure to buy off, and at the moment, same as what it was yesterday, Friday, this is the closest area, which is 13,700. We are above 1400 at the moment, so obviously 1400, you can see this level's fairly close to 1400, 13,995. I think that is pretty much something you need to be paying attention to. I want to see if we've got something on the weekly. Nope, nothing on the weekly. So what we also have though is just a continuation right now. Just do that. Just going to pick up this high here. You can see we broke below, broke above, formed a pin bar on here, but we didn't get above the pin bar, and then closed back below it and then back above it. So this is the next line in the sand, and then just below it is another one, which is probably a little bit stronger. You can see rejection and then support there. So let's just get to the 15-minute just in case there's something we're missing. Try and make sure there's no gaps or anything here. Nope. Okay, so levels are as follows, I think, for today. And I'm just going to, there is one more here we need to pay attention to. Is there? No, not there. Right there. So starting at the bottom, 14,141. 14,175. And then you have this little area here at 14,238. And then all the way down the bottom at 1,400. So any price action on one of these levels is definitely going to be looking for a continuation to the upside. We do have a fairly strong level ahead of us on the weekly, and that's at 14,807. So if we do continue moving up, I think that's kind of the area where we should get a bit of rejection. For now, what we're looking for is we're looking for price to come back onto one of these levels. Okay, and we're looking for inside bars, engulfing bars, or pin bars on those levels. So it's 14,239, 14,175, and 14,141. If we drop below 14,141, then you can expect to move down to 1,400, which then I would expect probably another setup brewing there for a move to the upside. So that's kind of my view at the moment. We are in an upward trend. We're looking to go with the trend, and we want to keep it going as long as possible. At the moment, on the hour, we need to be cautious. We've got a crossover, and we're pointing down. We're almost below the 80 as well. So I'd expect at least the faster moving oscillator here to drop quickly, the slower one just to hang around up here, and then crossover. And that's going to give us a crossover with them far apart, which would then just put a bit of confidence in me anyway that we're looking to stretch for 14,800 eventually this week. So that's kind of my view today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.